Let's gonna go into his head right here. We're going over how to draw Rudy from Ice Age. I'm gonna draw a curve real quick right there. And we're gonna keep going kind of to the top of the snout area. And he's gonna have a pretty big bump on top of his snout. Rudy is baryonyx, I believe. Alright. Gonna see, move him up a little bit here. Cool. Gonna go down here, curve along the back, right there. And we're gonna keep going for his tail. It looks kind of like a roller coaster, right? So head, bump for the head, bump for the front of the snout, you know, neck area, bump for the kind of back area, and then the tail. Gonna go down here, and actually not yet. I'm gonna go over here, and I'm gonna pull a line right there. Continue it just a bit. Curve for kind of the when dinosaurs and lizards, they have this skin when they open their mouth. Curve right here for lower part of the mouth. He's a really cool design. I really like his design a lot, honestly. Down right here. This is also done by request, so request stuff, and I will do it. Curve underneath, pulling up, and then huge back of the jaw area, and it's gonna curve up right there. Gonna go in here. I'm gonna go down, up, curve underneath for kind of the eye area. And we're gonna draw another little inner eye area there, then a dot. We're gonna draw a line right here for the brow. It's a curve line here. And let's go over here to the nose, the nostril. It's literally like a straight line. And kind of a gravestone shape right there, then fill it in. Line right here for the teeth. And the teeth are pretty small and they're spaced out. Right on. Gonna go over here. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to find the teeth on the bottom right here. Same thing, relatively small, and they are spaced out. Now we're going to go over here for the tongue, so we're going to make another curve. Back. Right there. And a line back here for the back portion of the mouth. We're going to fill that in. Okay. I'm gonna mark a few things right here. I'm gonna mark the curve of the shoulder right here. And I'm gonna find the neck, which is, he's got a pretty skinny neck. It's gonna curve right there. Arm right here. I'm gonna find the wrist back to the crick of the arm. Line right here for the arm. Curve for the outer part of that forearm area. Line for kind of the palm of the hand here. Up, and the finger and the claw I'm drawing together. Same thing over here. And same thing over here. It's this arc and then curve right there. Line. Gonna go over here real quick. By the way, if you do like Ice Age the movie, let me know. Or any of those movies, let me know. Curve down by, you know, let me know by hitting that like. Down over here for the knee. Let's go over here for the back of the knee, and we're gonna go up the thigh area over here. Kind of the rear end. And then I'm gonna go over here and merge it with the end of that tail. It's the claw on the back, just to kind of give it, you know, the finger really, just to kind of give it some dimension. Otherwise, it's pretty flat. Line for the nail. So those are the same really. Let's go over here to the foot. And let's draw the front of the foot. Well, let's draw the back of the foot. Down first, curve, make the ground plane over here. Back, down, angle right here for the toe, nail right here. Nail right here. Nail right here. Line down. Calf right here. We draw the calf, which is like a bump. And then straight back. Line, line, line. Line over here. So over here is the back of the heel of the foot. Now we're going to go here, draw a nail, 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 down, over here, curve back, down, all right. Pretty good so far. Okay, so now we're going to go over here and draw the texture on him, which is a really big thing. So I'm going to go over here and draw like a line, kind of long-wise. It's going to be a wobbly line because he kind of has this almost armor thing going on. And then we're going to draw curve line. Imagine like a drapery kind of going over him, like somebody threw like a string on him. Going to conform to his body. All the way kind of to the tail. And he has these spikes right here on the head a little bit. Kind of flat. They almost look like, I don't know, ice cubes or something on his head. I'm not really sure what to say. And they start to become a little bit more spiky around the back area. I'm gonna throw another line right here, by the way. Spiky along the back, more like little triangles. They're never huge or anything. And I'm gonna try to put them in the in each quadrant here. Line over here, same thing. More on this side. Put more over here. Maybe one sticking out over here. Some sticking out of the side. Not too much, but a bit. And line over here. You can throw some more curves, the front of the face. Excuse me, kind of coughing here. And if you always want, you can draw like, he has scales, but you can draw, you know, little thin scales if you want through the body. You don't have to do this part, but, you know, it might help. It's not a huge thing. It's not a huge thing, but it can add on to it. Looks like at these nails. It can add to it. You're just drawing these little semicircles, small and thin as well. You're kind of putting them everywhere. Thin. Remember that's the word. Let's put some spikes on the other side. He has these small spikes everywhere. And the last thing I do, and I always talk about this, is I'm going to throw a thicker line, a little bit of a thicker line around the outside perimeter of him. The reason I do that is I think it makes designs just look better, especially when you're dealing with so much line art, right? I want you to do me a favor and hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. I would appreciate it. I'm trying to get to... Actually, I'll just draw the line through that one because it's supposed to be in the background. I'm trying to get to 200,000 subscribers. So, let me know. Let me know. Hit that subscribe and click the bell notification. I don't always say that, but you know, it does help the channel out. If you do like my drawings here, you like the lessons here, absolutely let me know, and I will totally, you know, give you more of that stuff, especially like the request stuff, and I will totally do it. And if you also have any questions, let me know that as well. If there's anything you're confused on, I am very, very active. I'm very easy to reach. So let me know. Let me know and I will totally make it happen. Whoops, kind of moving the paper around. Over here. Just kind of taking my time, and this is the easiest part. Forgive me, this is kind of the most boring part, I would imagine. Right there, right there. There we go. And that's it. I want to thank you so much for being around. You guys are amazing, and I will see you very soon, all right? See you later. All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here, on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.